still want your outfit. I wish I was player 2.
Yeah, but I don't like being leader, so I'm sorry.
Weapons! Oh my god, snapper rifle! You want a snapper rifle?
Yes.
Fusion rifles are a good long-range weapon which can be zoomed in to accurately shoot enemies from far away.
Hold down your quick select hold down your weapon change button, which is, I don't know, triangle or R2, depending on what you've been using for it. And sniper rifle is in the bottom right corner. It's in the bottom left corner.
Damn it.
Don't worry, I got you.
Oh, I got no more ammo.
Go buy some more. There's a store right behind us. Sniper rifle's at the bottom. No, that's not the sniper rifle. There it is. Fusion rifle. Yeah, that thing is powerful. It's only got 8 shots though, so watch it. Where'd you go?
I died.
Oh, now you're in lava. Let's go this way. We're gonna bring this session to an end after the first boss. I'm watching you try to take down the camera. I think you still got ammo for your sniper rifle. That was a waste of a turret. Now come on, and a shield.
Heal! God darn you.
I'm fine. I have 11 health.
I am trying to... No, you know what? Forget it. Forget it.
Well, you went down quickly. Ah, spinning tops. Shoot them down. Shoot everything. I don't think we're shooting enough stuff. Maybe we are.
You can fire a grind cable from that turret. Look for a cable target.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Alright, I'll shoot the cable out. Get on it.
Wait.
Oh, that's cool. I just fly across. I thought you'd have to shoot me one. Alright, that one's down. Let's go after the other one now.
Yay.
Wait, what? Let's fill up on ammo and... Oh, we already have full ammo. Let's buy this weapon then.
Okay.
Alright, go across and I'll come with you.
ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the one, the only, Shell Shock!
Come on, little furry man. Time to die.
Wait, is this a reference to?
Yes!
I call this one my dishonorable discharge.
Hey, we get a boss fight early.
Yes, we
Does that mean we get to quit after this?
do. Want to?
Not really. Oh no, don't run away. No, he's running.
Oh goodness.
Laying out some mines.
Help me! Help me!
I'm coming. You okay? Okay?
I'm dead, you fool!
Oh, you're okay.
Run, Ratchet, run!
2 kills. 2 kills.
I had no more ammo. I used it all on the boss.
What were you using?
The shotgun.
Team Darkstar must now traverse a grind rail suspended hundreds of feet above the water. Is that even safe? Of course it's not! This is Dread Zone, baby!
There's a Psychonauts all over again.
Don't worry, it should be slightly easier than Psychonauts, maybe. Except we've got guns and we're shooting things instead of... Don't go on the elevator without me. There.
My map shows that this is an excellent spot to use the Hollow Shield launcher.
Well, I used the Hollow Shield launcher. What happened?
Jump onto the grind rail.
Wanna do this together?
Which one do we go to?
Which one do you want? Which gun do you want to use? The sniper rifle, the shotgun, or the pistols?
Pistol.
All right, I'll switch to the shotgun. Switch to pistols. Okay. You lead, I follow.
What?
Well, you've got the pistols.
Okay. Oh god.
Well, it looks like I'm leading. What the hell? We're both using pistols.
I'm so scared.
Remember, L1 is to jump, okay?
I'm jumping with X.
Well, you can jump with L1 also. Just jumping with X is overrated.
Okay. Oh shit.
Oh god, we're using shared ammo on the same gun!
How'd you do that?
Not really. I think I'm too close to you, so yeah, that's good. We got a bit of a situation up ahead.
How long is this hell?
Slip and slide.
That was scary.
Oh, poor baby.
Leave me alone.
I guess we can play for a little longer.
How much time do we
The
have
action's
left?
heating up as Team Darkstar
About
lights
5
up the
minutes,
spotlights
since
that
we
will
can
unlock
go up
that
to
dark
15
cathedral
minutes
of
before the
Chronos.
recording
A treacherous path
damage is
lies
up.
ahead as Dread
Okay.
Zone's deadliest warriors will be waiting to ambush them. Oh, baby, I love this job.
Ratchet, there is a magnetic lift up ahead. It
Oh, we got
will
Philemon.
take you up the road that leads to the next stadium.
Chicken bots. Chicken bots. Chicken bots. Chicken robots. Look at that in the sound bite. Look at that shit. Oh, you missed it. I'm using the mine launch. I'm gonna be using the mine launcher. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Well, that didn't do well. Hold on, I'm coming. A lot of people were mad just because Clank wasn't in this game. That and it didn't play like a normal Ratchet Clank anymore. A bit of slowdown, are we? That ship needs to go down. There it goes. Don't worry, we got this almost done. Hang in there. Yes! Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit.